Talisker announces multiple high-grade results from Bralorne West Block. Here to discuss is Matt Philgate. Matt, tell us more about it.
Thanks, Michael. Yeah, I really appreciate it. We just put out some exciting drill results. These drill results are focused in Bralorne West. So to just put that into context, the entire Bralorne camp that we're focused on drilling right now is around 4.5 kilometers in strike length. So this sits relatively central in the middle of that 4.5 kilometers. These drill results were focused over top of the historic Bralorne mine. This is a mine that produced 4.2 million ounces over its life of about 40 years. And what we're focused on with these drill results is stepping out away from where they mined and expanding mineralization along strike and down dip of the historic working. So building resource away from the known infrastructure, the known underground mine.
Perfect. So getting into it a little bit further, when can people expect to hear more about this? So what does this do to the timeline for this?
Yeah, I mean, these results, we're trying to put out a press release once a week, just updating the market on these high grade drill results. We have them consistently coming in from the lab. So we're seeing once a week, we're seeing about 1,000 assays returned, and we're just consistently updating the market. So these drill results are really on par with everything that we've been putting out over the last 3 or 4 months. They just reaffirm the high grade nature of these veins, and they really allow the market to understand the consistency of these high grade veins and the continuity of these ore shoots that we're seeing within the veins. So when we put out a press release like this last one that came out, 38.01 grams per ton over 1.55 meters, this is very consistent with what we're seeing across the entire project area. The vein width is usually somewhere between 0.9 of a meter all the way up to 2 meters, and the grade can range somewhere between 8 grams all the way up to 50 grams. So really, really consistent high grade results. And so that's the focus of these press releases, is to reaffirm the nature, the high grade nature of the veins and show the progress as we drill to our maiden resource.
Agreed. It's always great to see high grade, but even better so is when you see consistency in it as well. That's really the key in terms of getting the proper valuations of things. So Matt, thank you again for coming on. Anything else you want to add before we go?
We are looking to update the market over the next couple of weeks on our maiden resource progress. So it'll just be a simple press release showing the progress that we've made thus far. We'll have some long sections in there showing the pierce points. So really helping the market visualize where we're at and allow them to kind of build in their mind where we're going.
Perfect. Well, you guys heard the gentleman. We will have many more updates to come in the future. Check the website. There's a link below. Check out the press releases and report back if you have any questions. We will happily dive into them. For now, thank you for watching. And Matthew, thank you for joining us here.
Yeah, thanks, Michael. Appreciate it.